Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best step stools for toddlers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Little Giant Safety Step Stool. If you need a high-quality step stool, but with a bit more strength and safety features, the USA-made Little Giant might be what you are looking for. It's arguably the best step stool ever made, and its unique features set it apart. Manufactured from aircraft-quality aluminum, each step can hold up to 300 pounds, and it is still light enough to move around with one hand thanks to its tip and glide wheels. Pictured here is the 3-step model, but 2-step and 4-step variations are also available. These step stool ladders are a bit more expensive, but unlike others, they will last a lifetime and you'll feel completely safe thanks to its excellent stability. Even though it is built to stand up to heavy-duty industrial use, this is not the best stepladder for use on open ground, or even on flooring that is tilted at a significant angle such as a pedestrian ramp. You may find that this model is a bit heavier than others, weighing in a bit over 20 pounds, but it's also built to provide more strength. Number 2. Our second best pick is Delxo 2-Step Stool Heavy-Duty Folding Step Ladder. When you want a compact, reliable folding step stool, Delxo is a brand you should consider. While not a household name, their 3-step stool, also available in a 2-step variation, checks off all the boxes of a good kitchen step stool. The Delxo 3-step ladder has widened steel pedals with no overlap and non-slip hand grips for added manual balance. Non-marring legs help ensure your floor is also safe. It has a solid steel frame, back cross brace, and locking mechanism to allow a best-in-class weight capacity of 330 pounds along with a top step height of 28 inches. There are a lot of contradicting opinions about this stool. Most users say theirs is quite stable and has sturdy construction, while a few claim the steps bend when stepped on and have even broken. Likewise, some have said the stool folds almost flat, while others say the top support bar is curved and prevents easy storage. As it's impossible to reconcile such differing viewpoints, we suggest fully examining the product upon delivery and ensuring the stool feels stable and you are comfortable with it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rubbermaid RM-P2 Plastic Molded Step Stool. Perfect for those higher shelves in the kitchen or pantry, or for children who might need a little boost at the bathroom sink, the RM-P2 is a lightweight, under 6 pounds, 2-step molded plastic stool with cutout handles and non-slip treads. Non-marring feet and a 300-pound weight capacity mean this little helper can also be of use to adults. While its top step is only 16 inches high, it definitely has its uses. You can even use it in place of a creeper seat in the garage for auto detailing or maintenance. One would think a plastic stool would be fragile, but this one is built to handle abuse. Some owners have reported a bit of wobble when mounting the first step, and it won't fold for storage. However, it's light enough for even your toddler to move it to the sink and won't slip out from under them, making it a great addition for family homes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Louisville Ladder FS 1502 Step Stool. While technically a stepladder, something Louisville Ladder is known for, their short 2-foot-tall ladder easily substitutes as a heavy-duty step stool. Made of superior quality fiberglass, the FS 1502 is capable of holding up to 300 pounds. Internal spreader bars and steel rivets provide added durability, while the recessed tray means tools won't roll off. A polyester veil protects the stool from the elements, while the back braces both add support and encourage safer use. Keep in mind that while the stepladder is 24 inches tall, you should not put your weight on the top step. This means it has a usable height of 16 inches, second step. Overall, this is a great step stool, but it's also a victim of bad sellers. When buying online, purchase from a reputable merchant, check to make sure you're not getting a refurbished model, and examine it thoroughly for signs of prior use upon arrival. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Cosco 2-Step Household Folding Step Stool. Sturdy yet lightweight, this 2-step model is a popular inexpensive option that has a compact design which folds flat for easy storage. Its steel construction includes continuous rear leg support, with slip-resistant steps and non-marring feet. Rated for up to 225 pounds and with a top step height of 17.5 inches, this step stool is perfect for people who just need a boost for daily household activities, such as reaching high shelves or hanging a light bulb. Because this is a smaller model, it can be stored in places larger step stools won't fit. The wide steps make it a little safer to use than narrow step models. Be warned that the legs are non-marring but not non-slip and may need rubber feet when using on laminate or other low-friction flooring materials. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.